If we have 495,000 monthly impressions and only get 1% of them to sign up through our link, so to get this number, we have 495,000 multiplied by 0.001. This gives us 495. To then find out how much we get paid, times this number here by our cut, which is $6.49. We then get paid a grand total of... Now, I hope that makes you interested in this method because the numbers on this one are really good. We're using a cost per action strategy where we can earn anywhere from $2 all the way up to 10, 20, 30, or even more. This method also doesn't require you to be selling anything, so no heavy marketing is involved. Now, also make sure to like and subscribe if you find value in this content, as I get weekly videos helping you to make more money online. The first website I want you to head over to is AF Plus. Over here, you can earn money through a form of marketing called CPA, or cost per action. As you can see, you can earn $2, $3, $4, $12 each per action. Some are going to be more or some are going to be less depending on what niche you decide to go into. The thing that also brings this all together at the end is this crazy traffic source that has a huge potential to bring you in some really good money. So these are all the offers here that you can choose from, but what we're going to do is filter it down. If you head up to the top here where it says verticals, these are all the categories that you can choose from. However, the one that we're going to be using requires no selling of any products. This means all you have to do is simply get an action. We don't need to worry about any of the other niches here other than email submits. So if you search for email, this is then the category that you want to choose. This is also where we'll find the best offers that is going to fit this method and the traffic source. The email submits are so good because we don't need anything other than a customer's email. So once we acquire that, we then get paid. It sounds way too good to be true, but that is all it is. Now, here are then the offers. There are some offers here that you may not want to promote, but that's fine because there's hundreds of other pages. So finding something you want to promote will be really easy. So like I said, if you go to the bottom, you can see all the pages. We have 173 pages of offers that you can choose from. So finding something will be quite simple. You'll also find lots of different payments. They will all vary. Some may be small, but this doesn't necessarily matter. The traffic source that we'll be using will provide hundreds of thousands of impressions, which will then relate to you building up those small payments into thousands of pounds. Let me show you just one of the offers you could run. This first one is simply a survey for someone to complete. If they complete it, you then receive $1.11. I know this may not seem like much, but like I said, it doesn't really matter at this point. Just find something you want to promote and go from there. So for every survey that's completed with all their guidelines met, you'll then get paid. By guidelines, I mean here. So they say they only want email submits from the USA, Australia, and Canada. So the way you'll then promote these offers is by previewing it first with this little link and find out if it's definitely something you want to promote. Once you've done that, you then go to Join Network. All it is a simple sign up process. Once you've been accepted by them, you'll then get your affiliate link to then use in our traffic source that I'm going to show you later. The second offer I want to show you and explain is this one here. So this one's for healthcare. Again, all you need is just an email. The cost per action on this one's slightly more than the last one. It says €7, which will relate to about $6. The difference with this one, however, is that it's worldwide. So they'll pay you for every single sign up, not just for the ones in the countries that they want. So this is a really key thing to be checking when you're looking for other offers as well. So let's just go over now and preview this offer and see if it's something that we want to promote. Like I said, all it is just a healthcare. So it's a small 4-part survey that a customer would then have to complete. And I'm assuming at the end, all there'll be is an email submit. And once they've completed that, added their email, you'll then get paid straight away, no matter where they are in the world. Before heading over to the traffic source, I'll just add that there's no payment from customers needed at all. So the ease of signing up and adding emails are very simple. This allows you to then promote this offer to thousands without having to worry if someone will pay you or not for a product. So moving on now, once you've chosen the offer, so say we've chosen this one and you're happy to promote it, you want to click Join Network, as you'll have to become an affiliate for them. This will be a very quick sign up process as you need to be accepted with them. Each network will have a different sign up page, but this is what this one looks like. All you have to do is go through their sign up process and then you'll get your link at the end of that. Right, so now you've done that step, let's get into the traffic source. Head to a website called AdClerks. This is then a website which lets you advertise on a various amount of other websites for extremely cheap prices. They have websites with millions of monthly impressions and also some with smaller, which are even then cheaper. But I'll show you how to choose the right one and get the most back out. So you can see just a few of these websites here. They have all different impressions on their websites, ranging from 5 million all the way down to 192,000. Some will be less even. Also earlier, I showed you an offer which I picked within the healthcare niche. So what you can do here is go into the categories and choose health and fitness or anything related to your niche. This will then lead to more email submits, which then obviously increases the chances of then more money in your pocket. So what we have to do is put an ad on any one of these websites leading to our link and offer. You can see that all of them are different and have a variety of impressions and prices. Some you're going to have to pay out monthly, like this one, and then others you'll pay per 1,000 impressions. Now, what one we choose from here will depend on what offer that you've picked earlier. Also, don't be worried that these are ads and don't let them scare you off, because one, you can have a cap on how much you spend on them, so it will never be out of your budget. And two, the upside of them bringing in a lot more money, more than you've spent in the first place, is very high. So let's just say we wanted to promote this offer. This gives us roughly $6 per action. And then say we chose to promote that on this website here. So all we do is click through this link and then it will come up to this next page. What we'll see straight away is just a bunch of information about this website. One of the main things that you want to look at is the availability, which is here. You'll know if a website is working or not due to the amount of availability they have. If they have fewer spots available, this means that it's currently working for a bunch of other people as well. So firstly, you have to look at that, then check the number of impressions that you'll be getting, that each part of the website that will be getting. This will then give you a better understanding of how many people are actually going to see your ad. I'll use my example again from the healthcare and say we're going to go and decide to pick this one here. It's currently not available, but it's $15 every month. And our offer was giving us $6 per sign up. So they're estimating that they have over 500,000 impressions. Say only 3 people saw that and then decided to sign up, we would then be in the green and then making money. Then let's say 10 people signed up, we'd then be making $45 profit. Out of 666,000 impressions, I can see this bringing in a lot more as well. Make sure you're also then looking at the location of where it is on the website and how big your ad will be. This can have a big effect on how easy it is for people to see, as well as making sure both niches line up so the website is in the same category as the offer that you chose. You should also be checking the ad stats, which are on the left here. These will then be an indicator on how well the website is performing. Also, if you're choosing one that's not worldwide, make sure you link the traffic source to the same countries. So say our offer we needed only Canadian, this would be a very bad website to pick as they have no traffic from Canada. But on the other end, say we had a Russian one, this would probably be the perfect website. These stats can sometimes not be hugely accurate, so head over to a website called SimilarWeb and check out the website on there to make sure the stats match. You can see here they have a stat from SimilarWeb, but that might not be accurate. It might be slightly old, so just go over to SimilarWeb first and check on there. SimilarWeb also has the countries of where the traffic comes from, which probably would be better than this one. So once you've done that, if this is all accurate and everything looks good, then once you've chosen your offer, you've then found the website that you want to promote. All you have to do is start advertising and bringing in profits. I hope this video has helped anyone looking for a new way to make money online. If it has, then please drop a like and be sure to subscribe for future online money making methods.